Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view deleted Snapchat messages. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to istaunch.com. Here, scroll down to the search bar and type Recover Deleted Snapchat Messages. Then tap Search. Now open the article as shown. So scroll down and tap Snapchat My Data. Before you get to My Data page, you need to log into your Snapchat account. Now scroll down and tap Submit Request. Now that your request is submitted, you will receive an email within 5 minutes. Go to your mail and open the Snapchat mail. Tap Click here. Under Your data is ready, tap My Data zip file. Tap Download. After downloading the file, open it. After that, extract the zip file to recover the deleted messages. Now tap HTML and tap Chat History. And that's how you view deleted Snapchat messages. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.